I am so excited because I received the AB Crystal Kit from being a faithful client. Inside, you receive a $50 gift card and a wooden LED base. Simply go onto the website abcrystal.com and search for the crystal of your choice. I chose to do a custom engraved crystal. I wanted a pet one to represent my cat Tasha. Simply scroll down, click Upload an image and choose a file from your phone. Now add it to your cart and click Continue. Click Proceed to checkout. Enter in all of your info. At the very bottom, enter in your gift card and click Apply. Then click Pay Now. I love this custom crystal of Tasha. It is so cute and she loves it too.